In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify hundreds of best-selling trending niches that sell hundreds of dollars a day on Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, Etsy, and print on demand using the new Redbubble Trends tool on Merch Dominator. You'll find best-selling trends in minutes using the methods I'm about to show you. So make sure you follow with me because I'm about to show you guys an exclusive way that hasn't been shared before. Right, let's jump on my computer and let's dive right in. So as you guys can see on Merch Dominator, a brand new tool or module has been added called Redbubble. And we've got popular searches, trending searches, tag generator, and keyword suggestions. I'm going to show you guys how they work and how you can pull amazing trends that have just started on Redbubble so we can apply them on other print on demand websites or even Redbubble itself. Trust me guys, when I've been testing this tool, it literally brings out some crazy trends. You'll see in a minute. But for now, let me show you how it works. So the first module, we've got popular searches. Over here, you can type any keyword and it will give you literally the trends that are happening right now. So far we can see 1,347 entries. That's how many trends we've got on the day, and these results change every single day, guys. So let's say you want to search for a particular trend, you can enter the keyword here and click on search and you'll be able to find it, obviously if it exists on Redbubble Trends. And we've got 4 marketplaces here: US, Germany, France, and Spain. And we have this trend slider. This means that the trend has gone down, and this means the trend has gone up, and by how much, etc, etc. So you can adjust it to your liking. Obviously we want to see the trends that have gone up, so maybe we can go from 1 to the maximum or something like that. And these numbers change dynamically every single day based on the fluctuation of trends. Over here we've got the competition slider, so you can adjust the amount of competition that you want. Over here, if you want to show trademarks, you can select it like that. If you want to show keywords with 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, 4 words, or 5 words or more, you can select which option you want. And this is really handy when we want to come up with long tail keywords. So if we do 5 words or more, you're more likely to get long tail keywords that are also design quotes. And over here you can exclude keywords if you want to. So if I go over to number 1 like so, if it doesn't get it correctly, I can just adjust it here. So we've got number 1 and then click on search. So we have 626 trends that have gone up between number 1 and the maximum in terms of trend fluctuation. And immediately we can see the trademarks, etc. If something doesn't have a trademark next to it, that means that it doesn't have a trademark, right? It's fine, you can use it. In this case, Taylor Swift's, if there's an S at the end of a word that is trademarked, obviously it won't pick it up. So you have to be clever and you have to really do your own research that way. So let's say I want to find something that has low competition, like between 0 and 1,000. Click on search. We have 63 entries. And a lot of these guys are going to be copyrighted, right? So you have to be very careful. You have to always go and search on Google and search for trademarks. So for example, you want to find out what Miguel O'Hara is. Just click on this button right here, go down and open in Google search, and you'll be able to see that it's a Marvel thing, right? It's a fictional superhero. We cannot do it, obviously. Clicking this button will take you straight to Redbubble. You'll be able to see those designs in Redbubble. If you want to open the t-shirts version of that design, you can click on t-shirts and it will show you just t-shirts here. You can do the same thing for stickers, etc, etc. So the idea is you need to go through them one by one and find the ones that are not copyrighted, not trademarked, etc, etc, until you find something that you're happy with. Then you can open them on Redbubble and see if you can get inspiration from there and then do your own design. Or you can take them to Merch by Amazon, take them to Etsy, any other print on demand platform. So I can go to 5 words or more and see if I can find some long tail keywords. Looks like all of them are pretty much copyrighted, so I'm not going to do anything like that. But every now and again, you might be able to come up with a decent trend. You know, it could be a political trend. It could be a design like that recycle trend, remember? It really crushed it. Let's say we don't find anything in 5 words or more. We can try 4 words. And we've got I love my girlfriend here. It's gone up in trend. I love my boyfriend as well. It's gone up in trend. As we come to 3 words, we've got keywords like 4th of July. It was trending, but obviously it's not as much much because today is the 6th of July. Anyway, you get the point. Just keep going through them one by one until you find something that is not copyrighted and that is doing well on Redbubble and on Amazon. And you'll be able to either put them on Redbubble, on Amazon, Etsy, wherever you want. And to research if something exists on Amazon, all you got to do is click on this search button and then open in product search. Then you'll be able to open it like so, etc, etc. You can even get so many sub niches just from here, from product search. Now you're able to export all of these records. You're able to copy them if you want to try and analyze them later, etc. Now with this anime, you're able to open them in any of these categories. For example, you can research them for trademarks like this. Obviously there are no trademarks for the word anime, but if we want to show trademarks, we just turn this to yes, click on search. TM in red means that it's registered, so you shouldn't be using it. If it's in yellow, this means that it's filed, so you could potentially use it, again depending on which class we're talking about. So Hydro would be registered in a particular class but filed in another class, so you have to do your deep research there. And to really do trademark research, you just click on this button right here and it will give you all the potential trademark, and it will give you all the trademarks available under that keyword. You can sort by class 25 if you want to. Yeah, we've got one that is registered, so click on it. You can open it on USPTO just like that. Now we could get more details in any of these keywords like so, and you get the competition, you get the keyword, you get this as well, the trend. If it hasn't gone up or down, it stays the same, so you'll only get a hyphen. But if it's gone up, then you'll get a trend that's gone up, etc, etc. Got related tags, average price in different categories, different shops. So we can open this shop right here. Looks like they closed this shop. Let's open this one, for example. There we go. Over here, we've got Google Trends over the last 5 years. And over here, you've got bestsellers in that keyword. Next, you've got trending searches. This is amazing because it pulls every single keyword that people are searching for and that is trending. Let me give you an example. For example, funny cute, yeah? We go over here and we type funny cute. It tells us that A is trending right now. Again, we've got the same concept. We have the competition. You can exclude keywords. You can show keywords with a certain amount of words, which is really, really handy. And I'll show you how we can use it to our best advantage. We've got all the marketplaces, US, Germany, France, and Spain that are supported by Redbubble. And look at this, guys. We've got 6,303 keywords right there only today. And they change every single day, guys. Obviously, you've got the competition here. Same thing. You can copy, check trademarks, or open them in any of these platforms like so. You can also export them to CSV or copy them however you like. Now, here's what's crazy. We can pull many, many niches just from here. Now, we can click on show keyword with, and let's try 5 words or more. Click on search. Check this out. We have 181 entries. All of these are long tail keywords and quotes that you guys can use on your designs. Obviously, you have to check for copyrights and trademarks, etc. Look, there's this one right here, a lot going on at the moment. Obviously, this is copyrighted. You cannot use it, but we know that it's trending. There you go. See, when I typed it into Redbubble, we can see that it's trending. Got ask me about my plans. Your dad is my cardio. That's funny. Queens are born in July. You get the points, guys. And you can keep searching on and on and on. Obviously, some of the quotes are copyrighted like Billie Eilish, so you have to really know what you're doing, right? You have to go to Google and check the name if you're not sure about that name. You have to check the trademarks, etc. My brain has too many tabs open. I've never heard of this quote, so let me try and open it on Redbubble like so. 491 results. Now let me check it on Amazon. You can either go straight to search on Amazon or you can open it in product search, because that will then give you only merch by Amazon results. Check this out. There's only 144 results for this quote right here. Has it sold? Yes, it sold. It's got 2 reviews, sold again. It's not a crazy seller, but it does sell. So you'll probably sell 1 or 2 a month. Guys, I'm telling you, like the amount of quotes that you can find, absolutely ridiculous. Look at that. All of these are long tail keywords, quotes that you can use. Obviously, you have to check for copyright, etc. There are loads. And that's just 5 words or more. If you go to 4 words, you'll find more again. If you go to 3 words, you'll find more. Right, let's check 4 words. Right, you've got 350 entries here. Christmas in July. We know that is trending right now. Guys, this is really powerful. If you have loads of slots, you can literally go through all the possible combinations that you can use and just start uploading designs. You will never run out of ideas because these change every single day based on the trending topics. I've never seen anything more powerful than this, guys. I'm telling you. Next, we have tag generator, and I kid you not, this is literally the most advanced tag generator I've seen in the market. And watch how we can even get so many niches just from the tag generator. So let's say I'm searching for the tag patriotic. When I click on search, it will come up with so many tags. So we've got 1,340 tags, guys. That's insane. This gives you way more tags than any other tool out there. And what's more important is that you can download any of these tags, or the 1,340 tags. So you can export all, you can export selected, you can select 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever tags you select, you'll be able to export, and you can export specified. So let's say you want to export the first 20 tags, just type 20, click on export CSV, and it would export the first 20 tags for you. Same thing for copy. You can copy selected tags, you can select 5 or more, whatever, or you can copy specified. So again, enter 20, click on copy, and copy the first 20 tags for you. Now here is where it gets really, really interesting. So I'm going to show tags with 5 words or more, for example, and we'll be able to get loads of quotes there, guys. Look at this. Make our farmers great again. Ben Franklin, 4th of July. Check this out, guys. This is a quote. This is a quote. Check this out, guys. Funny, spilling the tea since 1773. Let's check this out. I haven't come across this one, to be honest. We'll open it on Redbubble. 50 results. I haven't seen this one before, to be honest. Is it in Amazon? Yeah, it is selling. Yeah, it's selling, guys. Look at that. Let's try 4 words. There you go. 54 entries. Look how many quotes, guys. That is absolutely ridiculous. The amount of quotes, insane. You will never run out of ideas, I'm telling you. And then you can go to 2 words, 3 words, whatever. So I've just typed July, right? We've got 1,390 tags right there. Let me check 5 words or more. What have you got? Yeah, 1973, birthday, 50th, women floral. There's something right there. Dachshund dog, 4th of July, awesome sins. You get the point. We get loads and loads of stuff. Yeah, we've got this niche right here that was killing it, as you guys saw. Again, we got Christmas in July. Okay, let's try teacher. You guys can use this for trending niches and even for evergreen ideas. Let's say you want to work on different niches like the teacher niche. Let's try it. Okay, 1,040 tags. Let's go to 5 words or more. Yeah, so we've got 40 quotes right there. I became a teacher because your life is worth my time. I mean, look at that. All behavior is a form of communication, mum. Autism, special ed teacher, social worker, mum. Be the teacher you needed. That is ridiculous, guys. I'm telling you, so many niches there. Again, more niches. When we go to 4 words again, we have more designs. Teacher of tiny humans. I love to teach. I need banned books. Teacher who loves pens. Do not ban books. Yeah, you get the gist. Unlimited niche ideas. I'm telling you, unlimited niche ideas. And we also have keyword suggestions. Now, these are for Redbubble only. So let's say we want to do America. You'll get all these suggestions. You'll get trending searches as well. You'll get popular searches. You'll even get artists and fan arts properties. These are exclusively for Redbubble, guys. And just to prove to you, I'm going to type America here. So we've got American flag, American traditional. For the trending searches, you've got American gladiator, girl dolls. All of this stuff you'll find here. There you go. American gladiator, girl dolls. But we even give you more, right? There's more stuff than you get on Redbubble. Isn't that crazy? And even better, this module is completely included in your subscription of Merch Dominator. And at the moment, there's a 50% discount for the launch, guys. So instead of paying the full price, you'll get it for just 50%. Just put 50% off here in coupon, click on apply like so, and you'll get it for $24.50 per month. But if you go to the annual option, you'll get it for $245 for the year. That works out around about $20 per month. So it's a steal, guys. So many other options are coming as well. Hopefully next week, something really, really powerful. You'll absolutely be amazed, guys. Just wait for it. And if you guys need a Merch by Amazon account, or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print-on-demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. But yeah, I hope you found this video useful. Watch this video next if you want to start a print-on-demand business, and I'll see you in the next video.